Hi and welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series by JKM. Okay, before we unbox this one, I would just like to gladly inform everyone that this model, the LC200 or the 200 series, is the final model that I have been waiting, that I've been looking for to complete all my series of Toyota Land Cruiser diecast models in 1/64 scale. Okay, started off with the 40 series down to the LC300. And this model, this particular one, seems, for me, before it was hard to find. Anyway, when I found this one made by JKM, I did not hesitate to get it, and today we're going to unbox this. Hopefully this would look good. Anyway, started off with the packaging. Okay, so you've seen earlier on the side comes with an illustration outline of a LC200. This one is a good image. Okay, and on the bottom, okay, some cautions there. Okay, just 14 and up. Okay, it has a Toyota official licensed product. Hopefully it is. There's a JKM logo. Okay, and this model from JKM came in a box with a heat shrink plastic packaging. Okay, kind of similar to size, or rather really similar to size, to a Mini GT. Okay, same, roughly the same color. Okay, roughly the same size also, and also with the same heat shrink packaging. Okay, now this one, this Mini GT, is a Range Rover from British Trans-America's Expedition. We're going to unbox this soon, so watch out for it. We already have some JKM models in the garage. Okay, and came with different packaging. Okay, the first JKM model that we have, a Toyota Hilux, came with this packaging. Okay, a big box. Okay, and also another JKM Hilux. Okay, came with this one. See, it's kind of small. Okay, this is the Toyota Hilux. We featured this in our channel a few months ago, so you might want to check that one out. Unbox this one, and while we do this, here's a short video of a Toyota Land Cruiser LC200. Okay, now that we've removed the plastic packaging, okay, I got this box kind of dented. Okay, must have happened during shipping. Okay, nonetheless, it's good. Hopefully the model is still intact, and we're going to open this one up. Okay, the model, oh, just like Mini GT. The model came in a plastic packaging, just like Mini GT. Okay, so some plastic covering. Okay. And here comes the model. Oh, very nice. Okay, it has some weight on it. Very nice. This is the 2016 model. Okay, the LC200, the 200 series, was released 2008 until 2021. Okay, and this one, since it's 2016, this is the second facelift version or the variant of the LC200. Okay, so now we'll take a closer look at this model. Okay, there you have it. Okay, to start it off, this one rolls very smoothly. Okay, as you can see. Okay, wheels, very good design. Okay, all four of them. Wheels came wrapped in rubber threaded tires. That one. Okay, very good design. Okay, to start it off on the side. Okay, very good panel lines. Kind of shallow for me, but nonetheless, it's very good. Okay, here. A full die-cast body with a metal base. Yes. Has a side view mirror with some colored, or rather silver colored decals. Okay, silver colored stickers on it. Okay, windows are clear with painted black trimmings. Okay, here. Okay, I'm going to use my screwdriver because I seem to misplace my pointer. Okay, nonetheless. Okay, color separation is good for the sides. Okay, door handles are painted silver, and it has a very good tempo design. Okay, on the sides. Okay, take a look on the other side. Okay, here we go. Same. The gas tank cover. Okay, it's very shallow, that one. Okay, panel lines for that, it's very shallow. Okay, you won't even notice it right away. Even the doors. Okay, very shallow. Okay, nonetheless, still good. Okay, moving on to the front. Okay, first off, headlights do come in clear plastic inserts. Okay, both of them, and has some chrome trimmings for the headlights, and goes all the way to the front grille. Very good chrome trimming, and chrome trimmings on black. Okay, for the front grille, very good one. The Toyota logo is very clear, and the chrome trimming goes all the way to the other side. Okay, for the front bumper, okay, very good design. Okay, very good details on that. Painted details are painted silver and chrome. Okay, and also has a Land Cruiser license plate in front. Very good one. Okay, so moving on to the hood. Okay, not much details on the hood. Okay, but very good one. Okay, very good details here. Okay, moving on to the windshield. Clear plastic windshield with some details on it. Has some engine vents in black, and also a wiper. Okay, moving on to the roof. Has a sunroof. Okay, you could clearly see the interiors. Okay, we'll talk about that later. On the roof, okay, has some roof rails. Okay, painted. Part of the mold and painted silver. Okay, goes all the way to the spoiler at the back. Very good one. Okay, and also rear windows are clear with rear defogger trims, or details rather. Okay, I don't know if it's clear, but there's a rear wiper there. And for the tail lights, clear plastic inserts again, but this one comes in color. Okay, has color on it. I think that's painted, colored silver inside, and color red. Okay, very good one. Toyota logo, tampos, and also the door, the rear door handle. Okay, has a Land Cruiser marking on it. Very good, very clear. Okay, those are decals also, and a license plate. Okay, same at front, it says Land Cruiser. This one is the GXR. Okay, it's the GXR model, and it's V8. Okay, quick search in Google. LC200 models have 4.2 liter engine. Okay, and V8 engine under the hood. Okay, well, we can't see it because the model doesn't have any opening parts. Okay, but nonetheless, okay, to continue at the back, okay, the reflectors in the bumper, okay, are painted red. Very good one. Okay, nicely painted, and the bumper has some black details on it also. Okay, and what's striking is this one. Okay, that's a tow hook. Okay, for towing. Okay, it's made of plastic, kind of fragile, nonetheless very good one. Okay, so moving on to the bottom. Okay, here we see it's a metal base. Okay, very good details. Okay, there you go. Details on the engine, exhaust system. There's a catalytic converter, very good one, and the muffler. Okay, it's also detailed. The muffler tip painted in silver, and a rear tire, or rather a spare tire there. Okay, I guess has the same wheel design. Okay, well, the base is secured by 2 screws. Okay, so if you plan to open this one, won't be a hard time. Okay, I won't be opening this one, but okay, moving on, we'll go to the interiors. Okay, it's a good thing this one has a sunroof. Okay, you could clearly see the details inside. Okay, interiors come in red, very good one. Red or maroon or crimson, depends on how you see it. Okay, front dashboard has details. I don't know if it's clear. Oh, that one. Okay, even the steering wheel has some design on it. Good details. Has some colored silver trimmings, and also there on the center console has some details also. Oh, very nice for this one. Very nice, very good one, JKM. There, I don't know if it's clear. Good details on the inside. Okay, and also for the rear, very good details. I don't know if it's clear, but there, the seats, rear seats, until the third row seats have details on them. Okay, very good one. Nice. Truly, JKM didn't disappoint us this time. For size comparison, okay, there it is. This is the first JKM model that we have. Okay, it's the Hilux. Okay, did come with this. It didn't come with this wheel set. Okay, I did a wheel swap on this. This is a bigger one. Okay, bigger and beefier one, I think. Kind of looks good on this white Hilux. Okay, this is the LN106, the same as my daily drive, but mine's colored black. But anyway, here it is for size. Okay, it's really on scale. Okay, LC200 models, if you could see one on the road, they're really big. Okay, and this one is kinda Hilux. It's kinda small compared to the LC200. Okay, and very good. Okay, there's one for the rear. Okay, so there you have it, LC200 by JKM in white. Very good one. We're going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.